I am the Gimp, the superhero of this town is back. And man, tell you what, man, come on, man, farming and fetching no stuff, man. We gotta do that good old poultry farming, man. Grab some chickens and sell those stuff and cows meat and like animals for meat and stuff, man. Come on, man, huh? There you. I tell you what, the thing you should stop farming all over, man. You just focus on animal poultry right now. Can the butcher get those cocks right there? Cluck 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 chickens. Time for you to be a meat. Look at them, man. What are you doing? This is animal cruelty. Using animal for food is bad. Go vegan. What you talking about, man? Root is life too. People eat root, man. Plants and stuff. And what about bacteria? Man, bacteria use yeast and stuff for milk. Humans is double standards, man. What did you vote? I called PETA organization on US. PETA, arrest those guys. No, not arrest. Kill them right on sight. These people are not humans. How dare you kill animals? I tell you what, miss, I didn't do shit. It's my right. I didn't do nothing wrong. Kill it. Hello, tech support back in India. We don't need any PETA. Thank you, come again.